Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are doing well wherever you are. I come back now. I'm happy to meet you again. So this is now lesson number 3. Lesson number 3, only to do practice in the sentences. Make sure that at the end of this lesson we have to introduce ourselves. Yes, using those greetings, all those greetings you have seen. Make sure that you are able now to use them well. Thank you so much. Let's now start. Are you ready? Thank you. Just as I told you, let's start our lesson. Practice. Today is practice. You see, lesson 1, exercise. In Kinyarwanda, imyitozo. Imyitozo. En français, exercice. Exercise. So make sure that you are going to use these sentences to introduce ourselves. You have to introduce yourself. Yes. Now let's start. How do you do? My name is Peter Kagabo. My name is Peter Kagabo. How do you do? My name is Sam Manzi. My name is Sam Manzi. I'm glad to meet you. And I'm glad to meet you too. This is now our English, way how we greet and how we introduce ourselves. So let's see now in Kinyarwanda. Yes? So let's see now in Kinyarwanda how we introduce ourselves. Yes? Umeze ute? Nitwa Peter Kagabo. Nitwa Peter Kagabo. Umeze ute? Je nitwa Sam Manzi. Jewe nitwa Sam Manzi. Nishimiye guhura nawe. Nishimiye guhura nawe. Or you can say nishimiye kukumenya. Nishimiye kukumenya. Nanjye nishimiye kukumenya. Nanjye nishimiye kukumenya. So let's see how we can say in French. Comment vas-tu? Comment vas-tu? Je m'appelle Peter Kagabo. Je m'appelle Peter Kagabo. Je vais bien. Moi, je m'appelle Sam Manzi. Moi, je m'appelle Sam Manzi. Je suis heureux de vous rencontrer. Je suis heureux de vous rencontrer. Je suis heureux de vous rencontrer. Moi aussi, je suis heureux de vous rencontrer. Or, vous connaissez, je suis heureux de vous connaître. Je suis heureux de vous connaître. Yes? So, let's see how we can introduce ourselves in French. Comment vas-tu? Je m'appelle Peter Kagabo. Je m'appelle Peter Kagabo. Je vais bien. Moi, je m'appelle Sam Manzi. Moi, je m'appelle Sam Manzi. Je suis heureux de vous rencontrer. Je suis heureux de vous rencontrer. Moi aussi, je suis heureux de vous rencontrer. Moi aussi, je suis heureux de vous rencontrer. Or, you can say, je suis heureux de vous connaître. Je suis heureux de vous connaître. It's the same. Je suis heureux de vous connaître. Are we together? Thank you. So let's continue with our exercise number 2. Hello, Martha. Hello, Martha. As the answer, hello, Kathy. How are you? Hello, Kathy. How are you? Let's see how we can say it in Kinyarwanda. Bite Martha. Bite Martha. As the answer, ni byiza. Amakuru yawe Kathy. Ni byiza. Amakuru yawe Kathy. Ni meza. Nishimiye kukubona. Ni meza. Nishimiye kukubona. Or you can say, ni meza, nishimiye kukumenya. Ni meza, nishimiye kukumenya. Nanjye nishimiye kukumenya. Nanjye nishimiye kukubona. Nanjye nishimiye kukumenya. Are we together? Thank you. So let's continue and see how we can say it in French. Salut Marita. Salut Marita. C'est Salut Marita. Salut Cathy. Comment vas-tu? Je vais bien, merci. Et toi? Moi aussi ça va bien, merci. Moi aussi ça va bien, merci. Thank you so much. As we use it, let's now try to practice ourselves. It means I'm going to ask you your name. I can say my name, and you continue in telling me your name. Are you ready? So let's now start. Means that we're going to use Kinyarwanda and French. Yes? Umeze ute? Nitwa Peter. Umeze ute? Nitwa Peter. Yes? Have you answered me? Yes? Thank you. I hope you have put now your name there. Use yourself also. Yes? Nishimiye guhura nawe. Nishimiye guhura nawe. Yes? Thank you. I hope you have answered. Nanjye nishimiye kukumenya. Or nanjye nishimiye guhura nawe. Are we together? Thank you so much. Bite Marta. Bite Marta. See? Bite Marta. Thank you. Ni meza, nishimiye kukubona. Ni meza, nishimiye kukubona. Thank you. I hope you have answered. Nanjye nishimiye kukumenya. Nanjye nishimiye kukumenya. Yes? Thank you so much. So let's continue and see how we can use it in French. Salut Martha. See? Salut Martha. Thank you. I hope you have already answered to me. Yes? Je vais bien, merci. Je vais bien, merci. Et toi? Yes? Thank you. I hope you have already answered. Moi aussi, ça va bien, merci. Moi aussi, ça va bien, merci. Thank you. So, I hope now you are able, ready to introduce yourself with your neighbor there on the way. Yes? Next time, we shall see how we can continue now introduce ourselves, because this is now the base of what? Of greetings. Are we together? Make sure you understand very well this practice. You have to do it every day, every time. Try to introduce yourself. Yes. Are we together? Thank you so much. So, as usual, let's now use English. Let's now use Kinyarwanda song to emphasize our lesson. As I told you, I hope slow by slow you have to understand my Kinyarwanda song without an interpretation. That will be now the sign or the proof that you start understanding the Kinyarwanda language and French. Yes, let's use also Kinyarwanda language, and next time we shall change and use French song. Are we together? I enjoy. Do you enjoy the song? Have you enjoyed? Thank you so much. I love you so much. So let's now sing our today's song. Igipimo cy'urukundo rwiza kirarusha, wenda utayambaye impatwo muzura y'impuhwe, bikantekereza uwo nkunda. Umubyeyi asuhuza umurebe akayimena, ati yendura mukunda bakunda ubirya, ati cyangwa rubihita umukunda birebire, urukundo rukarorerwa n'urutajya rukorakora. Maze kugoroba isambu ukundu umubwire ko wishe umuntu amuhishe, Samina aravuga ayo maso wavushije siyukwiye kwishyura. Cyo iwanyu harundi wankundaga ariko njye simbyiteho, namusanze iryo joro ryose imvura iragira, ishe umuntu cyo mwisha fata intwaro bazamina, tiducike tujye kure. Ati humura wakiraguye imisozi imibande tuyogamo, agakomeje maremare